after 4 days our updates are will be comes. So can I request you, please like and subscribe. So we are started our video. So I made this excretory system diagram and a working model we are defined in this video. So first of all, what do you mean by excretory system? A system which are export and exerted a waste material is called is called excretory system. So we are discuss about in this video. So what do you mean by excretory system? We are defined so all the living beings, all the persons and all the human being are generates and export and exerted the waste material from our body. All the living beings, and all the human beings and all the persons are generate the waste material and waste part of our body, and we generate from urethra. So what are the main parts of excretory system? We are learning in this video. So get started our video. So what do you mean by excretory system? What is the main parts of what is the main part of excretory system? First is two kidneys. The kidneys are number in two. The kidneys are two in two numbers, and ureter is in two numbers, and urethra in one number, and urinary bladder is in one number. Okay. So inferior vena cava we will read in previous video. Pelvis are the hairy part of, and neurons is called pelvis, and medulla and cortex and aorta and a ureter and a kidney and renal vein and renal artery and adrenal gland. Adrenal gland, in the upper of the kidney is called adrenal gland. Okay. So we are discuss about in this video. So get we start. So first of all, what is the work of kidney? To refresh the water and waste material along the work of our food, and energetic food are go out in our body, and waste material are go out from our body. So first of all, we are discuss about excretory system with the help of working model. So we are getting start. So I put in a jar. Okay, I put in a jar and started eating a food. So you can see after some time the food is refreshing. The food is refreshing, and on the waste material are stored in a urinary bladder, and urethra are out the waste material. Can you see? Waste material are out from our body, and lungs are covered and waste material out from our body, and urinary bladder are store waste material, and urethra are out in our body. Urethra are out waste material from our body. So it's a process of excretory system. I hope you are understand. So we will define kidney. What do you mean by kidney? What is the work of kidney? To refresh the waste material. Its work is to get the rid waste elements useless by product exerted from cells, eradicate and harmful chemicals, build up and maintain the system of food and balanced chemical conservation. Okay. on the body of kidney. By the kidney. Kidney is control the biochemicals and chemicals for our body. Okay. So let's again forward our video. So we are forward our video. And what do you mean by ureter? Can you see in this? It is called ureter. Ureter is a very important part of our body. From ureter, the food pipe will go from kidney, and it is called a ureter. It is a muscular part and muscular pipe and muscular vein, like a vein. So it is a very smooth pipe, and ureter is a very smooth pipe. So it looks like a longer pipe, and there is one crater, one ureter. There is a one ureter. Okay, there is a one ureter that outcomes of each kidney. That outcome from each kidney. There are two kidney. There are outcomes from each kidney. Okay, so we are discuss about in this. So an intention of the renal pelvis. So of the renal pelvis is the thin muscular. In the thin muscular, it is a thin muscular, and ureter carries the waste material from our kidneys, and the kidneys are exerted waste material from the ureter by the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is store the waste material along a long time. Ureter and urinary bladder is store the waste material for a long time, and out by the urethra. They are out by the urethra. So we will discuss about urinary bladder. So urinary bladder is a very important. So we are discussed about this. So let's again forward of the video. And what do you mean by urinary bladder? Bladder is look like it is called a bladder. A bladder is look like being a bell. It is look like being a bell and sac. Okay. So it is a very muscular part and a thin part. It stores water and many things which are chemically and along, which is not useful for our body, which store urinary bladder. So urethra is outcomes from our body and receive urinary bladder is go out. Urinary bladder, it is a urinary bladder, and urethra are receive the water and a waste material and go out from our body. So we are discussing. The kidneys have been look like a bean shape. It look like a bean shape, and these are pelvis and it is a medulla. It is a very important point. In this video, kidney is a very important part of our human body. Kidney is a very important part. The kidneys don't have a person, so person have a die. So I hope you are understand this. So again we are started the working model. So what can you see? It is a food pipe, and food pipe will come and waste material and food will come from the lungs, and lungs are refreshing and substance which are chemically it is purely defined, and the waste material R will go outer from the body. So can you see after some time the refreshing will go on? So can you see? After some time, some water will be so can you see? This is a waste material from our body. I hope you are understand